In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check, change, and increase touch sensitivity on an Android phone. This setting is especially useful when a screen protector makes taps feel less responsive. Start on your home screen and open Settings. The layout can vary slightly by phone, but on this Samsung device we need the Display menu. Swipe up through the main settings list until Display is clearly visible, then tap Display to open all of the screen controls. At the top of Display, you may see Brightness, Adaptive Brightness, Motion Smoothness, Eye Comfort Shield, Screen Mode, and Font Size and Style. The option we need is farther down. Swipe upwards slowly through this page. Continue past Screen Zoom, Camera Cutout, Screen Timeout, Easy Mode, Edge Panels, and Navigation Bar. Stop when you see Touch Sensitivity. The gray switch on the right tells us the feature is currently turned off. Before changing it, read the description under Touch Sensitivity. It says this option increases the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. That means it is intended for times when a protective layer makes light taps harder for the display to recognize. Tap the switch on the right now. The switch moves to the right and turns blue. That visible blue state confirms increased touch sensitivity is enabled. The change takes effect immediately, so there is no save button and no restart is required. You can also reverse it at any time. Tap the blue touch sensitivity switch once to turn the feature off. It becomes gray and moves left. If you use a screen protector or still want the extra response, tap the gray switch again. It returns to blue. Leave it enabled only if it improves how the screen feels during normal tapping and typing. There is also a faster way to find this control later. Return to the home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer, and tap the search field. Type Touch Sensitivity and wait for the results. At the top, Android shows a settings card labeled Display and Touch Sensitivity. Tap that settings result to open the control directly. Check the switch on the right again. Blue means the feature is on, while gray means it is off. This shortcut is useful if your settings categories are arranged differently. Let's recap the complete process. Open Settings, scroll to Display, and tap it. Swipe down through the display controls until you find Touch Sensitivity. Read the screen protector description, then tap the switch on the right. A blue switch confirms increased touch sensitivity is active. To undo the change, tap it again and look for the gray off state. You can also search Settings for touch sensitivity and open the result directly. That is how to check and change touch sensitivity on Android. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Android tutorials.